Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color name and shape names. And first, color name.
A, B, C, D,
Orange color. Which color is this? Orange. Light blue color. Which color is this? Light blue. Red color. Which color is this? Red. Yellow color. Which color is this? Yellow. Rectangle, star, trapezoid, triangle, pentagon, rhombus, and draw the shapes. Rectangle. The shape is rectangle. Star. The shape is star. Trapezoid. The shape is trapezoid. Triangle. The shape is triangle. Pentagon. The shape is pentagon. Rhombus. The shape is rhombus. Let's start color. Orange color. Rectangle. Orange color. Rectangle. Star. Blue color. Star. Blue color. Star. Red color. Trapezoid. Red color. Trapezoid.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yellow color. Triangle. Yellow color. Triangle. Orange color. Pentagon. Orange color. Pentagon. Blue color. Rhombus. Blue color. Rhombus.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Repeat again. Rectangle, star, trapezoid, triangle, pentagon, rhombus. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, next video. Bye bye.